Scampo, number 9, Grotto, and Bin 26 all serve dishes that are sure to fit the bill. But who has the best eats in all of Beacon Hill? Find out as the Grade 8 continues. 75 Chestnut is a brick-clad hideaway known for being casual, comfortable, and friendly, with most dishes coming in well south of $25. There are half-pound burgers completely covered with melted cheese, and filet mignon with roasted potatoes and crispy onion straws. And while Phantom usually thinks salads are best left for the birds, 75 Chestnut's wedge is like a BLT explosion, with chunky blue cheese dressing served over a hunk of iceberg topped with tomatoes and crispy applewood smoked bacon. Another Grade 8 winner is the legendary Paramount on Charles Street. This neighborhood nook has cafeteria-style service by day and sit-down dinners at night. The menu includes everything from omelets to pancakes in the AM to burgers and griddled sandwiches in the afternoon to elegant steaks and seafood at night. But when you come in for breakfast, don't you dare try and reserve a seat. You just line up at the counter, order, pay, and miraculously, there will always be a table waiting for you.
There's a big sign on the wall when you walk in on the left, just letting people know that, hey, this is the policy, and this is how it works. And I always used to say, if you don't get a table, I'll pick up the check.
Toscano on Charles Street is a neighborhood mainstay with exposed brick, a gorgeous marble bar, and hand-carved wooden doors. The menu is full of all the foods you love, like pizzas served impossibly thin and ridiculously delicious. There's the Quattro Formaggio with sliced tomatoes, garlic oil, and fresh arugula, and homemade sausage and fresh mozzarella sprinkled with Parmesan. But the pasta course is where Toscano's kitchen really shines, especially the hearty penne and a rich Tuscan-style meat sauce, or the show-stopping rigatoni Toscano, studded with double smoked bacon, tomato cream, and fresh herbs. Harvard Gardens on Cambridge Street is a cozy eatery with dim lighting and creative menus any time of day. Sunday brunch features all your favorites like the Harvard Gardens Eggs Benedict with crispy prosciutto and asparagus. For lunch, they make a great burger with addictive truffle Parmesan fries. And in the evening, Phantom loves a post-work cocktail with a chilled tuna tartare. They're the 8 greatest restaurants on Beacon Hill. Only the best make it to the Grade 8.